We all often hear and read about Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He is popularly known as the big bull of the Indian stock market, but very few know about him in greater detail. The Vocal News brings you a summary of his profile, his interests, and how he rose to fame when it comes to the stock market. But before that, we request you to please subscribe to our channel, The Vocal News, for such interesting videos. Born on 5th July 1960, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is an Indian business magnate and stocks trader. He manages his own portfolio as a partner in his asset management firm Rare Enterprises. Son of an income tax officer, Jhunjhunwala began to dabble with the stock market from his college days. He enrolled at the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and after getting his degree, Jhunjhunwala decided to head for Dalal Street. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is an investor who is known to have a Midas touch. For this very reason, Jhunjhunwala is often referred to as India's own Warren Buffett. He is a trader and a chartered accountant. Not only this, as per the Forbes Rich list, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is the 48th richest man in India. He is also the chairman of Hungama Media and Aptech. He sits on the board of directors of firms namely Viceroy Hotels, Concord Biotech, Provogue India, and Geojit Financial Services. It was in 1985 when he invested Rs 5,000 as capital, and by September 2018, that capital had inflated to Rs 11,000 crore. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala certainly has been a risk taker. He borrowed money from his brother's clients on the promise of returning the capital with higher returns compared with bank fixed deposits. His yields were in lakhs then. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala then earned his first big profit in 1986. It was when he bought 5,000 shares of Tata Tea at Rs 43, and it luckily rose to Rs 143 within 3 months. He also earned profit which happened to be over 3 times. In the successive years, Jhunjhunwala invested in Titan, CRISIL, Sesa Goa, Praj Industries, Aurobindo Pharma and NCC, and it became a major success. During the 2008 global recession, his stock prices fell by 30%, but gradually he recovered from the loss by 2012. According to Forbes, Jhunjhunwala has an estimated net worth of $5.7 billion as of October 2021. To his name, he runs a privately owned stock trading firm called Rare Enterprises. Moreover, he has invested in Titan, CRISIL, Aurobindo Pharma, Praj Industries, NCC, Aptech Limited, Ion Exchange, MCX, among many others. It was in April to June 2021 quarter when the Big Bull added Steel Authority of India and Indiabulls Housing Finance to his portfolio. So this was all about the Big Bull Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel, The Vocal News, and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and can log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com to catch all the latest news.